Welcome to Getting Started with BuildProjex. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the direct and group messaging functionality within the software. Simply from your main dashboard, navigate to Messages. In here, you will see any existing messages that you are already a part of. Some of them may be owned by you, some of them you may be involved in, and we'll discuss that in a little bit. For any projects that you are involved in, clicking the three dots, you are able to edit any of the functionality within here, such as marking it as a favorite, where it will automatically become top of your message pile. You can turn off notifications, decide to hide the messages, reassign ownership to someone else within your organization, archive it because it's no longer relevant, or delete it completely. Alternatively, you can also use the star and mute icons functionality on the side here. Once you enter a chat that already exists, you can navigate up to the cog at the top next to the project name. You can change the name of the group and choose the project that it's relevant to. On the right hand side, you can see that you can also use the star icon to ensure this chat stays at the top of your message list, highlighting its importance. An example of this might be for a client who you want to communicate with regularly on the project. You can also again adjust the notifications for this messaging within here. You'll also be able to identify exactly who is in this message or add other people to the conversation. To add other people to the conversation, click the button that says Add, and you can choose anyone else within your BuildProjex account. Please note that information about the roles is down below so you can see exactly what permissions people have within your BuildProjex. To type a message, use the message bar at the bottom. Simply type and click the orange button to send. If you wanted to send any attachments or files, you can do that dragging and dropping or adding the files in here. Simply click the button in the middle to upload anything from your computer. To start a new conversation, click the Add button. You can start a new direct message or a new group message. A direct message is a one-to-one conversation with someone else within your organization. This might be a subcontractor or your site manager that you do not wish other people to see. Alternatively, you can start a group message. This is one-to-many conversation where you can add anyone involved in a specific project set, or you may want to involve anyone who works for your organization that anyone outside your organization does not need to know. Once you've started that conversation, it will appear in your messages dashboard. An example of what you'll see if you are not a project owner is this conversation here. If I wanted to edit this conversation, you'll see that my options for editing it are far more limited.